Hi math teachers, so I'm going to send you this link, follow it, go to Windows. You want 64-bit architecture, everybody. You want the EXE format. You can see maybe that arrow downloaded it there a second ago. You might get this message, go to keep, you can see it's 64-bit and an executable file. So mine didn't open automatically, not sure why that's happening, but if you go down here to your folder and open that up, and go to downloads, and then you can order them by dates. You want this arrow going down, and if you click on this row, it'll order these by dates, folders first, and then apps. Go ahead and open this one up, select the language, next. I would just go with the recommended ones that are already checked, puts it on your computer. After about 4 minutes, it gets you to this place where it's finally downloaded, and just click finish. So I thought that was going to open it. Oh, there we go. It takes about 20 seconds to open, so that was kind of weird. Shrink this window to for everything that's available. So you'll see all sorts of cool stuff on there, and you should be ready to go for Thursday. Let me know if you have any questions.